Now, I want you to try a practice example quickly. Have a look at this. This is very interesting. Here's a practice example. What you've got in this situation, I'm going to ask you to try it on your own. You've got, of course, it's a pond at a resort, say, and we're looking at the top surface area of the pond. We're looking down at it from the top, and it's made up of two large semicircles and two little ones. The radius of the big semicircle is big R, and the radius of the little one is going to be little r there. Now, what I'm going to do is I want you to work out for me not only the surface area of this pond. Okay, there could be fishies swimming around in here, and I want you to work that out, the surface area of that pond. So I want you, the first part here is I want you to work out the surface area of the pond. Okay, area of the pond. Okay, that's the first thing. Then what I'm going to do in B is I'm going to say to you, listen, I want you to keep the sum of the two radiuses fixed at 200. You can't have the radiuses, the sum, being more than 200. And I want you to now work out the values of big R and little r, the values of big R and little r, for which the surface area is going to be a minimum. So I want you to minimize the surface area of that pond. Minimize it and tell me what the value of big R and little r would be to give you a minimum surface area. You're minimizing the surface area. If R plus little r is 200. Have a go at that, and we'll talk about that in a moment.